Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon poodle. Now we're going to begin this drawing by drawing the ball of fur at the top of the head. So let's start in the middle. We're going to draw a half circle. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down and then back up on the right side. Now let's do that again on either side. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down and pull that up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to continue going around the side of the head. So let's start on the left, we're going to curve out, and we're just going to pull that in. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. And then from the top, we're going to draw another half circle coming in towards the center. So let's start on the left side, we're going to curve up, and then pull that down on the inside. Go to the right, go up, and then down. Now let's close off the inside with another half circle. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve up, and then back down. Now from these two half circles, we're going to step down and draw in the eyes. So let's start on the left side, we're going to draw a circle. Starting from the top, work our way to the bottom, and then back up to the top. Let's go over to the right side and do the same thing. Now at the top of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottoms of the eye in black. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, come in towards the middle, and draw an oval for the nose. So we start in the center, curve around, out towards the right, and then back in. Now we're going to fill the nose in black. Now we're going to draw on the mouth, starting from the bottom of the nose in the center. We're going to curve down, and then up on the left side, go back to the center, curve down, and then up on the right. Now let's open up the mouth. We're going to start on the left side at the bottom of this curve, come down, and back up. Now let's move to the side and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the outside edge of this half circle. We're going to start by coming down around the eye, rounding out the ear. We're going to go up and then pull that in towards the side of the fur. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting on the outside edge, go straight down, round out the bottom of the ear, go up, and then pull that in. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the head. Starting from the left side, on the inside edge of this ear, we're going to curve down underneath the mouth, and we'll pull that back up on the right side. Now let's add in a furry collar. In the center, we're going to draw a half circle. So we're going to step down on the left, curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. Let's add another one. Starting on the left, we're going to curve around and back up. Then we'll add one more. We're just going to tuck this in behind the side of the head. So we're going to draw a small half circle. Now on either side, we're going to add fur around the base of the legs. So over on the left side, we're going to draw a small half circle going up and then down. Let's go over to the right side and do the same thing. Now back on the left, we're going to round this out. On the left, we're going to curve around and then in. On the inside, we'll go in the opposite direction. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then from the bottoms, we're going to connect these 2 points with a slight curve, coming down and up for the bottom of the paw. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to connect those 2 points with a curve, going up and then back down. Let's separate out the paws. We're going to draw 2 straight lines from top to bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's move up and draw on the side of the leg. Starting underneath the fur on the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom fur. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the inside, I just want to go about halfway up to the inside of the legs. Now in between the fur, starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then back up. Let's move over to the left side and draw the fur tip for the tail. So starting up here, we're going to draw a half circle going up and then down. And then on either side, we're going to go around and back in. And then we'll close off the bottom with a half circle coming down and then up. Now we're going to connect the tip of the tail to the body with 2 curves. Starting from the inside, we're going to curve down and in behind the body. We'll We'll step down and draw that same curve. Now the last thing we're going to do is just separate out the muzzle in the face. So from the side of the mouth, we're going to step up, curve up over the nose in the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now from the left, I'm going to curve around the mouth, and then back in towards the inside of the chin. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon poodle. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.